Hello, my name is Valerie Gomez, and today I'm going to give a brief explanation about communicative language learning. I'm going to start with what communicative language learning is. Communicative language learning, or CLL, is one of the design methods of language acquisition that emerged in the 70s and is part of the humanistic approach to language learning. This is a language teaching approach in which students work together to develop what aspects of a language they were to learn. It is based on the counseling approach in which the teacher acts as a counselor and paraphraser, while the student is seen as a client and collaborator. The communicative language learning is a method structured around the fundamental principle of effective communication in a second language, and they are 1. Needs analysis and goal setting. 2. Curriculum design. 3. Inputs and exposure. 4. Language practice. 5. Feedbacks and correction. 6. Assessments and progress monitoring. 7. And the last one, interaction of culture and context. Communicative language learning method is characterized by several fundamental principles that guide its pedagogical approach. These are some of the main characteristics. The first one is focus and communication. This prioritizes students' ability to communicate effectively in real-life situations. The second is meaningful interaction. This encourages active participation and deeper understanding of that language. 3. Authentic language use. This exposes the student to real text, recording, and situation, providing genuine understanding of language use. 4. Experimental learning. Here you learn through practical experiences that help students apply their language skills. The 5. Focus and fluency and communication. Fluency and effective communication are valued over grammatical perfection. This definitely encourages confidence and practical use of the language. These characteristics make CLL a dynamic, practice-oriented approach that aims to develop authentic communication skills in the language being learned as a second language. Okay, but how does this improve learning outcome and students' engagement? Communicative language learning improves learning outcomes and students' engagement by focusing on practical communication skills, encouraging active participation through meaningful interaction, and using real lab linguistic context with improved relevance and motivation. In the CLL, the emphasis is on interaction between students and active language practice through activities such as role-playing and other collaborative projects. In the context of communicative language learning, role-playing is a widely used technique to promote oral communication and language practice in real-life situations. Role-playing exercises give the students the opportunity to take on the role of a person or act out give situation, allowing them to experience how to use the language in real-world context and helping them develop confidence in their ability to communicate in everyday situation. In conclusion, communicative language learning are effective methods for language acquisition where CLL emphasizes collaborative learning and focuses on practical communication skills which improve learning results and student participation. Likewise, the use of modern methodology in teaching foreign language is very effective since it adapts to the needs and preferences of the youngest and the most current students, favoring the development of essential skills for adult life and giving rise to a personalized education that considers the capabilities and skills of each of the students.